Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Samsung supports Qi wireless charging and removing any thick or metal cases that block the coil. This matters because the phone needs close coil alignment. Next, plug the wireless pad into a reliable power source using the rated adapter and cable. Insufficient power yields slow or no charging. Finally, set the pad on a flat non-metal surface and clear the area. Once done, you'll be ready to align the phone for optimal charging. You now place the Samsung on the pad, centering the phone over the coil area, usually around the middle back, because alignment maximizes energy transfer. Make sure the charger LED or on-screen battery icon confirms charging. If you use fast wireless, enable it under Settings Battery Charging Preferences to allow higher current. Once charging begins, avoid moving the phone. Even small shifts can interrupt the connection or slow charging, so keep the phone still until you see steady progress. To finish, leave your Samsung on the pad until it reaches the desired percent. You can check progress periodically, but avoid picking it up repeatedly. If charging fails, swap the cable, adapter, or outlet to rule out power issues and test with another Qi phone to isolate the pad. If problems persist, restart your phone and check for system updates, and make sure no metal cards or magnetic mounts sit between the phone and pad. These are common causes of wireless charging failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.